Hello everyone, welcome to Go Swing. Today I am going to discuss how I screen stocks which follow volatility contraction pattern. So I use Mark Minervini's trend template to screen stocks. Okay, and there are so many stocks in our Indian stock market. So to screen stocks which follow volatility contraction pattern, I use this Top Stock Research screening platform. Okay, so I use the premium version. You need a premium version to screen all stocks. It will cost around between, I think, 1,000 to 2,000, I mean, in a year. Okay, so it's very less. You guys can take that membership, or you can use other screening platforms which you are already using. Okay, I am not promoting anything here. I use it, so I am mentioning it here. Okay, so when you initially search Top Stock Research, you get to see this. Okay, so this is my account, you can see. Then what I do, I go to this premium My Top Stock Research. I click here because I am already signed up. Okay, so then I go to custom screener. Okay, now my profile is loaded. Okay, so now I enter. I will show you how I screen here. So my default screener are already saved. Okay, that is Mark Minervini. Okay, screener. So let me show you step by step how I do it. First, you select stock basket all. Okay, instead of blue chip. Okay, all. So first criteria I put here is price. So price should be above, current price should be above 50-day moving average. Okay, so you come to moving average. You can see we have price, volume, high, low, beta, pivot, moving average, technical divergence ratio, fin basics, fin ratios, all are here. So we are going to select moving average. So you can see we have two options: add to compare price with moving average. Another option is add to compare moving average crossovers. Okay, so first we go for add to compare price with moving average. Okay, we click on that. So we have close price above some moving average, we have to type it here. So we need close price to above 50-day moving average. Okay, so we put 50 here. Okay, so you can see this has come, that screening has come. Now our second criteria is 50-day moving average should be above 150-day moving average. So that is a crossover. We need to select this. Okay, compare 50 SMA above 150 SMA. Okay, so third, we need that 150 SMA should be above 200 SMA. Okay, so we put 150 SMA above 200 SMA. Okay, so these three criteria are already here now. So the fourth criteria I am going to put here is the pivot criteria, that the price should be above pivot point. Okay, now these criteria, as I mentioned earlier, it is not there in Mark Minervini's trend template. He mentioned some RS criteria which I don't use. I use this pivot point criteria. Okay, so latest price above pivot point on tick. The tick should be monthly. Okay, the tick should be monthly. Okay, now so the four criteria are selected. Now the fifth criteria that I use, which is also not there in Mark Minervini's trend template, because it is not exactly a criteria. Okay, the market capitalization should be above 50 crore. Okay, so it is not exactly criteria. I am keeping the basket small, and also the stocks which are below 50 crore, I mean, I don't find them reliable. Okay, because those actually can give violent moves, and also you cannot do intraday trading in most of them. Okay, so that is a problem. And also I think some other criteria are there. You have to on your TOTP, which I didn't do. And also uh, above 50 crore stocks, there are plenty stocks, so you won't face any problem. I mean, you won't go out of stocks. Okay, so let me put the market capitalization criteria. So we come to fin basics and the market capitalization above 50. Okay, So now what I do, so we have 5 criteria. Okay, we click on run screener. Okay, so we got 401 stocks. So from this screen, these 5 criteria, we have got 401 stock. So now few other criteria are remaining. One criteria that is remaining is 200-day moving average line is trending up for at least 1 month. Another criteria that is remaining is that current stock price is at least 25% above its 52-week low. Then another criteria that is remaining is current stock price is within at least 25% of its 52-week high. Okay, so these 3 criteria I go and check manually. Okay, so I will manually check these 401 entries, and to check that I use TradingView. Okay, so I have subscription in TradingView. I manually check here. Okay, so for example, let us take the case of this Gujarat Gas Co Limited. Okay, Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat. So Guj Gas is satisfying the 5 criteria we just used to screen this stock. Now what we need is the stock must go up and then it should go sideways. Okay, the stock must go up, then it should go sideways, and during this sideways period, okay, during this sideways period, we need the volume to gradually go down. Someday it might go up, but its movement, I mean, it should tend to go down. Okay, like this. Okay, like this it should go down. In between, some days it might have a spike. Okay, that is not a problem. So let me show you an example so that you guys can understand. Okay, so Amrit Anjan Health, I traded this stock earlier. So you guys can see earlier the stock went up, then it went sideways. Okay, and during this period you guys can see the volume was going down. Gradually it went down. This one day there was a spike, but we can ignore those spikes. Okay, the overall trend, the volume trend should go down. Okay, then again it went up, and then again it went sideways. Okay, yeah, okay, so between these two lines, during this period you guys can see the volume was again going down. Okay, the question is why you should look for decline in volume. That is because after a up move, so when you see decline in volume, so what is happening is the number of sellers are getting reduced. Okay, that's why the volume is decreasing. Ultimately there are no sellers, so only the stock can move up. Okay, that's why the stock moves up when the volume is very low. Okay, so how you trade here? So basically, when the volume goes down, you take position here. Okay, you take position around here. Okay, so you guys can see the stock moved after that 20% within 1 week. Okay, again you guys could have taken position here, and the stock went up 10% within 1 week. Okay, so that is the beauty of volatility contraction pattern. Okay, so so the stock, when it goes up, it will go so fast that you don't have to wait whether whether it will take 1 month or 2 months. It will go very fast. Within 1 week you will get 10-15% return, and if it comes down, that is also going to be very fast. Okay, within 1-2 days you will get to know that whether stock is going to come down, which is very good because you don't want to waste your time. If you have taken any position in a stock and for 1 month your money is stuck, and after 1 month it comes down, then it is a total waste of time. If you get to know that within 2-3 days stock comes down, it's good, you take the loss and you move on to next stock. Okay, and volatility contraction pattern, it is going to give you too many opportunities. So don't worry about that. And the beauty of, as I mentioned earlier, the beauty is that the stock will go up very fast. Okay, within 1-2 weeks you might get 20-25% return. Okay, there are some other criterias that are mentioned in Think and Trade Like a Champion, like stages of a stock, because stages of a stock lets you determine how you should trade. Okay, so stages of a stock actually helps you to see whether the stock is in a vulnerable position or not. Okay, so that will also help you, but I will discuss those things in some other video. For now, the points I have given to you guys, note down those points and start screening and see what stocks you are getting and observe those stocks for coming weeks. Okay, other things that you should keep in mind, okay, so that you can trade properly. Look, the entry is only 10-15%, the rest 80% is actually trade management. Okay, so which is very important. So I'll make video on other important stuff on Wednesday maybe. So for now, you guys use the criteria I have mentioned, particularly this volume criteria, to screen stocks and track them in coming week. Okay, if you guys have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also do comment what type of videos you want. Thank you.